Hello everyone. Today we are gathered here for group discussion. So healthy body lives with healthy mind. So my opinion. Our topic is about importance of yoga and sports. So let's start. So in my opinion, yoga impact on our health and mental condition, and it can reduce our diseases some like diabetes and cholesterol. That's it.
Yoga will cure our diseases, but it's not feed not used for weight loss. It is very long procedure for weight loss.
Good morning, everyone. Our topic is importance of sports and yoga. So, according to me, sports is importance for a healthy life. It helps to reduce our obesity. That means fatness. If sorry, then sports teach us how to handle failure and success. Then sports also use or teach us the patience. It's all about importance of sports.
Uh, s- so yoga and sport are both are important for our physical and personal development. When we doing daily yoga in nature, then our body gain various types of changes in our body, and also we feel relaxed. And when we play outdoor games while after doing our work, when we study and then we playing outdoor games, then we feel relaxed, and our physical fitness also maintain while we playing outdoor games daily. So my opinion about outdoor games is, we are playing outdoor games with our friends and going playing various games. Thank you.
Yoga and sport is most important in life. After some time, though 2001 year, can playing cricket, coco, and sometimes mobile, not playing games. It's most important in playing cricket and in body. Yoga daily use yoga in 50 to 10 minutes running, walking is most important in life, not diseases. Not daily yoga and diseases is BP, sugar, and some kind diseases. Okay.
Okay, thank you. I am agree with you. Yes, in our life, yoga, sports, and games are very important. Uh, Yoga, sports, and games give some type of relief from our daily hectic routine, daily busy routine. I think if you use some time for yoga or for sports, then it is through which we can get some kind of relief from these busy schedule or uh, such type of tension. So yoga, sports and games are very important in our life.
Good morning, friends. My name is Tejas Chandak. So today's our topic is importance of yoga and sports in our life. Uh, my opinion is like yoga keeps our mind healthy and sports keeps our body healthy. So like when we do yoga, our mind is relaxed. We feel like tension free. We spend our day actively, and when we do playing cricket or any other sports outdoor games, we feel active, like our body feels active, and we can do other activities freely. Our body gets like relaxed, we feel relaxed. So that's my opinion.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nidhi, and I thought yoga and games are very important in our life um, because yoga is increase our healthy life. Thank you.
First of all, yoga can relax. It can reduce stress. First of all, yoga can reduce our stress and it will relax you. And sports is a thing that which needs physical activity. That if we do yoga and sports, we can balance our life very well. So, in my opinion, uh, yoga and sports is very important in our life. So, thank you.
Yoga makes our body flexible, and in yoga, if we do yoga every day at morning, then it is beneficial for us. And if we do any sport, uh, it gives us a strength and gives us a skills. And there is a lots of classes are available for yoga sana and sports. We will join that classes and improve our skills.
Your point is valid. I agree with you because when we do combination with the both of that, that is yoga and sports, when we gain most of skill, like she's called, uh, we get confident because of our body and because of the yoga. Then many skills are gained because of the yoga and sports. So both of that, yoga and sports, are beneficial to us. That's sorry, because yoga is useful for making body flexible. Then sports is important for our physical health. So yes, both are important.
So many people are doing uh, firstly wrong types of yoga. So they join classes, and also in TV there are various programs are telecast, which is improve our yoga and also learn yoga. So we watch it daily in morning, and also watching various Olympic sport, uh, which which are Olympics means there are many people only seeing cricket, but we also watch Olympic games because we inspire those player which playing in Olympics. So we also watching Olympics games also.
Why yoga is important? Yoga is morning to evening all time work and detox your body in yoga is important as sport. You will scheduling is busy all time, but 1 hour to 2 hours in self body introduce yoga and sport.
Okay, thank you. I agree with you. Uh, my point is those person who do not give time or they do not play on the ground directly. So for these people, the yoga is the best option, I think. So they do yoga at home also. They give some times for yoga at home. We get all the benefits of from yoga for their body or health. They keep their body healthy or fit.
Yoga is important because when we do yoga, we see all the people around us. Like we see that all people wake up early in the morning for doing yoga. So the benefit of waking early in the morning is also like good because when we do yoga, we feel fresh and relaxed, and we doing yoga at our terrace like that. So there is a lots of benefits. We get fresh air, sunlight. So what the deficiency, which like vitamin deficiency or some other else, there is decrease in our body. Like we boost our vitamins and like that, and we gain confidence because we wake up early in the morning and we are doing something because many people not doing nothing in their lives. And sports is also important because when we play cricket and football and like that, we maintain our health. Like there are many problems, sugar problem and obesity and something like bp or heart problem related to heart, we tackle with the help of sports and like that. So that's my point.
So I agree with you, and I thought game also important in our life because childrens are play games, then she feels energetic and healthy.
All of you know, yoga can cure diseases without medicines. Some people who have insomnia, if they do yoga, they can sleep peacefully without medicines. My mother joined yoga class. I see lots of difference in her. In 2 months, in 2 months ago, she looked so dull. Now she is looking so beautiful, and her sugar is controlled now. Her cholesterol is also controlled. Now I think yoga can do anything that which physical activity can't do. So yoga can open your mind and it will focus on you one thing. That's it.
As she said, yoga is important for us. Yoga will bring some changes in our life. Like some peoples are tackled with insomnia. There is a depression and all other things. Then we will reduce all these things because we doing yoga. And there are many types of yogas are there for our face yoga also there. It will reduces our facial fat and gives us and improve our health, and it is also helps in weight loss and cure all the diseases, as we can say.
She said yoga is important. Yoga gain a lots of advantage. Okay, it's true, but with yoga, physical activity is important. So physical activity is like exercise or a sports. So sports is also maintain a social health. What is social health? So social health is a situation or condition one person can communicate easily any other persons. It is called as a social health. So social health is also disturbed in our society because of the communication. So when I have a two example, in the past, children play outdoor games, kabaddi, cricket. Their mummy, after some times, their mummy hold it and
Come to
call him, call all the children or own a child to come home. But now situation is different. Now children are uh, they they uh, indoor games. They did do playing indoor games. They not any activity in their body. So they are alone or with their phones. So there is one difference is that the person, the child, those child